Hello and welcome back. So it's February the 19th. I know I'm late doing this one. So we're going to go over what we had for January 2026 here already. So before I start, quick disclaimer. This is entertainment. This is not financial advice in any way, shape or form. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial coach. And I'm not a freebie financial advisor in any way, shape or form either. So it's purely for entertainment as far as all legalities are concerned. And especially like to see people make money on the income but completely lose on the capital gains. So there we are. So RACI came in with £35.55, so that's the real estate credit investments. That's my biggest quarterly payer. Then we've got 24 select monthly income, 50 pence from them, only 100 shares, so more would result in that. Basically 25 pence for every 50 shares. So then we've got Regional REIT, the second biggest quarterly payer, £25 from them for 1,000 shares still. It's because I got 2,000 quid invested in them and it's had down by 50%. I'm not looking to add anytime soon. I should bring down the thing on the capital loss on it, but it's the fact it's £2,000 committed to it. It's like no. So that's always going to be just pay as it is, and then maybe if I can work out one day, eventually got back in dividends, £1,000 worth, and maybe take it from there. £1.46 from the Yield Max MSTR option income. So MSTR short for MicroStrategy. Apparently does a lot of crypto stuff. That's a Yield Max. This is supposed to be high yields. Right? £1.46 from them. Then we've got the income shares. There's also another Yield Max later on. So income shares, we had Tesla one for 24 pence. We've got one so far. Nasdaq 100, that's £1.29 is 10 shares, right? Same with the S&P 500 option. That's £1.20, that's 10 shares. Gold is so high, we've still got two. We've got like, well, it's not the actual, like I said, the actual amount I've got in terms of the capital gain, in terms of pounds, is tiny. But it's up, so it's up like 50-odd%. It's up a good percentage, but the pound amount is like, well, I can just sell it, just add more to it. Certainly would increase the income side of things. Similar bit with the silver, but that gold is so low in price. I should have bought a load before, just to see, just to see how much I paid. But there we are. So anyway, income shares, Palantir. I know of the name, but I'm not actually sure what they actually do. But it's income shares, so it's options-based income ETF. So check it in, let's see what happens. There's £1.12 from them. Then income shares on the silver side, 51 pence for one share. Again, they're up this year, so I might decide it's only a small amount. I'm technically gained in terms of the capital side of things, should add more. Right? We'll see. Then we've got the Global X Euro stocks. That's for the 50 largest stocks in Europe. 30 pence from them for 3 shares. So I could do a couple more there if they go down in price. And then we've got the Global X SP 500 covered call. So slightly different to ones down here. But I've only got 4 each of these. So 36 from the S&P 500 and then 50 pence from the Nasdaq. I'm debating whether or not I should maybe get those two to 10 instead of just 4 and then see how these two pay out. Pretty much work out what I'm getting paid compared to what the value of the shares are, and with it maybe, who knows. Assura. So Assura got acquired by Primary Health Properties, or PHP, and then although I had shares based on every so many I think it was so many shares for so many 10,000 shares, 1,000. So I got like not a great deal on that one, I don't think, but I got some. They did say they were going to pay a dividend, but I didn't think it'd be this tiny. So 6p for 1,000 shares. Right, so that's that. Global X Super Dividend. That was 22p for 4. So I can definitely get to 10. Increase the amount coming in. Then we've got the Vanguards. So we've got the Vanguard USD Merger Markets Government Bond. That's 53p. Eurozone Government Bond, 17p. The iShares Global Inflation Linked Government Bond. That's 26p. Then we've got the UK bonds. So UK government bonds, 76p. And the US Treasury bonds, 20p. So here we go. So we've got Value and Index Property Income Trust, £5.40. We've got Facilities by ADF £1.50. So they provide trailers and a couple of other bits for film and sets for like Netflix and Disney and that in the UK. So mainly seems to be American ones. Maybe I might have the odd BBC production as well, I don't know, but definitely American ones. New River Reach 155. Rex Crypto Equity Income, so there's another bit of crypto in the portfolio. See what's actually this. My crypto thing is that it's probably more of a financial product than it ever will be sort of globally accepted currencies, but it is what it is. You know, opportunities to be made, opportunities to make money in the meantime. There's 75p there. Yieldmax Big Tech Option Income was 71p. London Investment Company was £1.70 with the last 4. Global X Uranium, it's new win. It's a ETF, provides an income, 6p for 2 shares. Just to see what they like, so I will add more because they do seem to. It's good to have uranium and other disruptive metals. 7p for 2 shares. And then, of course, the big monthly payer, £8.23 from PIMCO Short Term High. That's going to be quite a bit this month as well. I think it's like £11 coming in now for February, supposed to be. So we shall see. Last beginning of February. So there we are. So that came to a total of £90.42 to start the year off. That's not bad, is it? So with that, I bid you all the best for the remainder of February, and I'll see you in hopefully the beginning of March for February's income. So yes, all the best. It's been a quietish start to the year, so let's see how the rest of the year goes. So with that, have a good day.